News 19 issuing a weather impact alert day because of the cold weather coming our way. We're going to check in now with our chief meteorologist, Efren Afante, who is very busy. Efren, these temperatures are no joke.
No, there's no joking. You were asking me before the start of the commercial break, what was it like over at our nation's capital?
Yes.
So when President Trump was heading to St. John's Church at 9 o'clock, the wind chill was 14.
Oh,
Okay.
no.
If they were having the inauguration outside, it would have been 16. Yeah, we're not dealing with that yet. But we do have that weather impact alert. And the one thing for sure is that we're going to have some bitterly cold mornings, and the snowfall potential is increasing, but not for everybody. The uncertainty is this. We don't know exactly what the snow accumulations are going to be. We've got at least a general idea of where, but as far as the highest total and locations, that's still yet to be determined. But the cold temperature is absolutely no doubt. Look at these temperatures. Now, this is just the air temperature in the morning. With the exception of a week from today, all of our temperatures are going to be not only below average, but we're going to deal with at least 2 mornings where we're going to be starting the mornings in the teens. I haven't said that since 2017 here in the Midlands. It's been a minute. At least we've got beautiful sunshine. That is a key factor why our temperatures haven't been a lot worse than it should be. So right now we're sitting at 37 degrees in Newberry. It's 39 in Bishopville, 41 in Manning, 42 in Orangeburg. Winds are not that bad right now, coming generally out of the north, maybe about 5 to 6 miles an hour. So it is a little bit colder, but take a look at these temperatures. 30 in Atlanta, 34 Raleigh, 43 in Charlotte. Asheville, the air temperature is 22. The wind chill is 7. Hotlanta, it feels like 20 degrees. Charleston, it feels like 37. That cold, dry air continues to push through, and it is really going to tank our temperatures. There is not a thing in the sky right now throughout the tri-state, and those clear skies is going to allow our temperatures to rapidly plummet as we go throughout the night. So as we go through the next few hours, as the skies clear out, we'll start seeing clouds start to build up out of the low country. And then in the morning, we'll see a lot more cloud coverage. So colder for now, partly cloudy. The clouds will start picking up. The air will still be dry and very cold. And as we get into the late afternoon, here comes some light flurries, snow in central and southern Georgia, and that will get into the Midlands by early tomorrow evening. But we'll talk about that in a second. The wind chills, though, in the morning here in the Midlands could be anywhere from above 10 to just around 20 degrees. That's the wind chill, as our low temperatures are expected in the teens to the low 20s. Tomorrow, high temperatures are only going to get into the mid to upper 30s, but that's very likely going to be just after lunchtime. Now, this is what we're expecting. By the time we get to 3 to 4 o'clock, we'll start seeing some of those snowflakes start to move into the Midlands. It'll be snowflakes at this point, folks. We're not seeing any accumulation. I do expect most of it to start coming in by about 7 to 8 o'clock, and then the periodic snow will continue, and then at that point, as we get to about 9 o'clock, that's when we'll start seeing if accumulations occur. But this is going to be quick moving out of here. By the time we get to midnight, it's already faded out. By the time we get to Friday morning, or rather Wednesday morning, the skies are already going to start clearing up. Conservatively, and I say this with a big grain of salt, conservatively, everybody north of I-95, I mean rather west of I-95, could get anywhere from a dusting to maybe an inch of snow along and east of I-95. So Sumter, Clarendon, Calhoun, Orangeburg County, especially southern Orangeburg and southern Calhoun, could see at least an inch, maybe pushing an inch and a half of total snow. The downside is anything that falls on the ground that sticks is going to stick for a while, because Wednesday, 21 with a high of 37, 17 degrees in the morning on Thursday with a high of 41. Then even though we'll stay with 20-degree temperatures in the morning, Friday through the weekend, a little bit of reprieve. 48 for a high Friday, 52 to 58 Saturday and Sunday with maybe a few showers on Monday. Erica, we're looking at a high then of 55.